Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to stop receiving friend requests on Facebook. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. If you want to prevent others from sending you friend requests on Facebook or restrict who can send you friend requests, you can adjust your privacy settings to control who can send you. When you turn off Send Friend Request button on Facebook, you'll no longer receive friend requests from most people, depending on your chosen setting. Depending on your selection, you might still receive requests from friends of friends. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. If you're an iPhone user, you'll find it in the bottom right corner. This opens up the Facebook menu. Next, scroll down and look for Settings and Privacy. Tap on it once, and then tap on Settings again to access your account settings. After that, scroll down through the settings until you find How People Find and Contact You and tap on it. Here you will see various settings related to how people can find you. Tap on the down arrow next to Who can send you friend requests? This opens up a menu with different options. Now, you'll see two options, Everyone and Friends of Friends. To turn off getting unwanted friend requests, select Friends of Friends. You've successfully adjusted your Facebook settings to receive friend requests only from friends of your friends. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or confusion about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.